Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on this laptop. To do it, press the Start button, go to Settings, then go to System and scroll down to find the Recovery Options option. Click on it, and to start the factory reset operation, click Reset PC and make sure that your device is plugged into the power source so it doesn't discharge during the factory reset, so nothing breaks in the process. Okay, right now you have the choice between keeping your files or removing everything. Basically, keeping your files only resets apps and settings, so this is surely not an option for us. This is not a factory reset, this is rather a settings reset. So if you want to perform a full reset of your PC, select Remove Everything. Then you can choose whether you want to reinstall your Windows from the cloud, which will take a lot more time, but you will get a crystal clear Windows copy, so in case your files are corrupted, you can choose this one option. You should choose this one option in this case. This will provide you with a new clear Windows copy. And if you choose local reinstall, it will reinstall faster using the system files on your device. I will go with local reinstall, you can choose for yourself. Now in Change Settings, we can choose between cleaning data and removing your files, which is quicker but less secure. And if we switch the toggle to the yes, we'll fully clean the drive, which will make our files less harder to recover. So if you're planning to sell this laptop, switch to yes, and again you can choose whether you want to reinstall Windows from this device or from the cloud if you switch the toggle to yes. Okay, so go with whatever choice fits you the most, then click Confirm, click Next, and when you're ready to start the hard reset, click Reset, and again make sure that you plug in the charging cable to your device so nothing breaks in the process. Once you click Reset, the factory reset will begin, and now you simply have to wait until the finish of the process. And at this point the factory reset operation is complete. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.